See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane keeping assist, backup camera, hybrid, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, alarm, traction control, daytime running lights, 6-speed AT, power windows. Feel the satisfaction that comes with choosing quality and efficiency. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.